This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to change global settings, like changing the number of decimal places shown in R. Did you know that? The R statistical programming language includes a plethora of options that you can set according to your personal preferences. Options are like the paint color on your bedroom wall. You don't notice it often, but it's always there and pretty important. Here's what you and I are going to do. We're going to set one of these options together, and then I'll explain how I did it so you can change other options all by your lonesome self. Here's the number pi. It's 3.1415 blah blah blah. Now I'll use the options function. The options function, insert your name here. Insert your name here, meet the options function. It's a pleasure to introduce you to. The options function is well used to set global options. Think of it like your preferences or your custom settings, but for statistical programming. We'll change the digits options to 3. That's like saying R. When you display a number, please just show 3 digits. So watch what happens. Options, parentheses, digits equals 3, close parentheses. Now if we print the number pi to the screen, instead of 7 digits being printed, R only prints 3. I could even go so far as to ask R, well, only print 1 digit to the screen. And now when I say what's pi, it's going to say just 3. Now note, if I run a logical test, does pi equal the number 3? No siree. Alright, it's time to type options yourself and sniff around the help file for the options function. For example, I can change the scientific notation with the SciPen option. Look at the differences. Did you know you could customize this little prompt here, this bracket space there? I bet you didn't. Watch this. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now if I change the options for prompt to be Anthony Rocks, now R's console has by default an Anthony Rocks prompt instead. Obviously. Change my prompt back to the original. You can see the current particular option or setting with the function getOption, parentheses, quote, option name, close quote, close parentheses. Or, hey, so for example, the digits, we had set it to 1 up here, and it's still 1. Great. Or you can see all of the current options by just typing options, parentheses, close parentheses, and it'll print it all to the screen. If you use R, I would say you've got a lot of options, and I would be right. This has been a work of R.